birds are huge birds that can soar without flapping their wings for hours and hours. They are easily recognized by their long forked tails and W shape. They eat fish but don't like to get wet, so they use their long bill to gaff fish right out of the water. Sometimes they hassle other birds, like boobies, so much that they drop their fish. The frigate bird then swoops down and gets its free meal. That's a pretty jerky thing to do, but a bird has gotta eat. They nest in colonies on certain islands. Frigate birds have such long wings that they can't land on water since they couldn't flap their wings hard enough to get airborne. Vacations are spent on fishing boats where the food is buffet style.